In this video, I'm going to show you a basic use of GIMP software. And first of all, I'm going to open up the files that I'm going to use. Start open, and then we can select one image, open, and here we are. We have this image automatically just right beside of the page, and in these images I want to put another image here, and I'll just open the file. There we have the eagle. Now I'm going to put this eagle on this empty sky, so it looks like the eagle is soaring from the cliff. To do that, we're going to go to the eagle file, and then we're going to use a lasso, a free select tool, and then I'm going to select this eagle roughly. Fast forward it for you guys, so you don't have to wait for the process. But this is how I do. Left click and then just follow through the outside of the eagle, making an outside line. You don't have to be very detailed from the first try, because I know it's a little bit difficult to do with just a mouse. But then again, here we go, and once the yellow dot is shown, it means that your selection is in full and has no cutout. So after that, I'm going to go to move to, and then I'm going to edit and make a copy, and then I go to the other file, make a new layer here on the bottom we have create new layer, and it will give you these options. Just leave it as it is, unless if you want to rename them, or actually just rename them to eagle. Okay, we'll just go to the canvas and then go to edit and face in place, and bam. So here we are, guys. The eagle is right on top of our image, and it automatically created the layer for us. And then, as you can see, it's a little bit bigger, too big for the canvas or flip canvas. I'm going to select the scale tool, and then I'm going to scale it down, left click, and then drag it to the right. If you drag it to the opposite direction, it's going to go larger. So it depends on what you're going to use. Play with the tools, and you'll get to know which direction is suitable for your need. And then we move it and put it on our composition, and then click scale on the scale window, scale, and then we go get our eagle on the right size. And after this, we can go to the floating selection layer. Sorry. Go to the floating selections layer, and then as you can see, there is a green new layer or anchor layer, we can just choose the new layer, so it will create a little so it will create a new layer for us with the eagle in it. So yeah, or we can go to, I'm going to undo this, and then the other thing that we can do is, since we already make this layer, we can go to anchor, and the eagle is going to be pasted on top of the eagle layer. Now we have our eagle on the cliff, and we still can move it around and put it on the right composition. And if you like to make this a little bit more in detail, you can do that, but I will get into it in this video, since I'm sure that you guys can do it by yourself by using the tools that are provided by GIMP. Anyway, this is the introduction, and I hope you guys can try it at least to compose a new image out of two images, like what we do in this video. So I hope this video would help you guys to get to know GIMP a little bit better, and try it, be naughty with it, be creative with it, and I'm sure you'll get more proficient with this program, and you can do a lot more of things with this program. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again later on the next video.